a cruel world.
Yeah, I wouldn't do the last two notes, Adrian. Can we do it without doing the last two notes on that there? Just cut it off there. Just hold it straight there.
Okay. And it's a cruel world. Yeah, it's a cruel world.
Do it again. So breathe after world, Adrian. Breathe after your first word because we want to attack the second it's with firm, like Claudio. Okay? Go for it.
Yeah, it's a cruel world. Yeah, it's a cruel world. I'm stuck it. I don't know what I'm doing. I need to play guitar.
Yeah, play guitar.
And it's a cruel world. Yeah, it's a cruel world.
Yeah, it's cruel world. Just like that.
Okay.
Cruel world. Let's just simplify it like that. And feel it. And it's a cruel world.
It's a cruel world.
Again.
And it's a cruel world. Yeah, it's a cruel world.
That's it. Just like that.
It feels nothing.
Yeah, stop. But Adrian, you got to make sure you still keep singing. Because you're going, it's a cruel world. It's not a motive, man.
Yeah.
It's not a motive.
Yeah.
Listen to what's that song by Claudio that he does at the Guitar Center acoustically?
Mother Superior, maybe?
One or two or something like that, or the Two of Us. So the acoustic version.
Oh, okay.
Listen to how he's singing, how loud he's singing it. Yeah. What's that song? The Two of Us, the one Two of Us.
Another one.
Yeah, you know, it's the second song on the album there.
Yeah, good song.
Keep it firm.
Okay.
And it's a cruel world, and it's a cruel world. You got to do it just like that. The simple things are the best, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, bread and butter, missionary. Okay, so they're the best things.